We're going to be showing you how to do a pedicure with gel overlay at home DIY. So I'm going to be doing Sam's feet now. We're going to start with the nail prep. So we are doing a nail prep. We're going to be using a nail pusher to push some skin out of the way. On all her toes. And you're gonna need a file to shape and basically just take off the skin, excess skin, so that we prepare for the pedicure gel. And now we are going to start off with putting a soak off gel base. So it's good to take in the base first. We'll be using a UV lamp to dry Sam's nails for 30 seconds each. And now this is the gel polish, right? Sam has chosen this color. It is a very natural tone color, as you can see. Now we're gonna apply it on her toenails and then dry it with a UV lamp for 30 seconds. So you must make sure that you don't put too much on the brush so that it doesn't go on her skin, but rather it goes straight to the toenail. And now guys, we've finished drying off the toenails with gel polish, and now we're gonna glam them up using this gold glitter. It's gonna match the nails just to give the toes a glam look on the color. For the last application on the toenails, we're gonna put the gel top coat to finish off. We have glammed her toes up with some glitter. It's looking very nice. And now we're gonna apply the top coat gel and then dry off with the UV lamp again. Guys, now the nails are dry and she's ready to go. All you're going to apply is a cuticle oil just around her skin, and that's it. She is good to go. We love you.
We love you guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
See you next time.
See you next